G'day, welcome to On the Road Australia. Sorry I haven't been making videos for a while, but I've had a few family issues which I need to sort out, which has really got me down lately. So anyway, I thought I'd get out today, and pretty miserable sort of day after hot weather we've had. We've had 44, 45 degree days the last 3 days, 2 or 3 days. Today it's a lot cooler. Down the south coast here it's about 22. So I might go now to Boat Harbour at Gerringong, the seaside town of Gerringong. It's quite nice. Not sure if I've been to Boat Harbour. Anyway, come along and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's go. Roll the intro.
'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the land on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice, I am, you are, we are. Supposed to get some more rain soon, and maybe a thunderstorm, so we'll see how that goes. But I want to put my my Gladius Mini S underwater drone in if I can there, otherwise I'll come back to Kiama or Harbour, put it in. I might put my aerial drone up. It's pretty windy, but that's fine. Get some aerial shots of Boat Harbour. There's quite a few boat harbours down here. Everywhere's got a boat harbour. Probably because boats come in there and they harbour there. But just want to check this one out. If I can't put the drone, underwater drone in, I'll just do a video. Just come along and keep going. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thank my regular subscribers, like Kim, Maria, Drew, Heather, Werner. Haven't caught up for a while, Werner. And Werner makes some great videos. Highly recommend them. So does Drew. And have to touch base with Kim actually. Down there, a lot of that smoke from the fires going on. You can see all the traffic coming back or going back to Sydney from the south coast. People going back to work tomorrow, a lot of people. Got the headlights on, so must mean there's a bit of rain down here, maybe. So we'll keep going. Pretty rough surf out there. Pretty crazy. Just passing the exit for Kiama and Jamboree. Gerringong 11. Got to get back down to Gerringong Bay and see me mate. Might take my boat down there. Told him I might come down. So let's continue. Oh, it's just starting to rain now. And this is the windy bit around the mountain. Boat ramp. Bit rough. There we go. No, Bobby. Back in a sec. Stay, Bob, stay. Back in a sec. Wouldn't be launching my boat from here. Wow. Where's the rock pool? These boat harbours have always got these old anchors, probably from a boat that's sunk here. Oh, the rock pool's up there, up the hill, huh? Or up there, or up here. Oh, it's over there, past that family. Be nice to come here on a sunny day. Got a barbecue over there, electric barbecue. This was selling in Gerringong in the 1800s, by the way. You can freeze that and read it. Oh, there was a jetty here. 7 ships were wrecked in the harbour. There's supposed to be a lot of sharks here. I'm not sure why. Anyway, maybe put the submarine in. What do you reckon? Pretty rough, but I'll try. Let's do it. So I'm not sure if I got all the video because it cut out on me, but that's why it disconnected. So the seaweed, so I have to get that out. All caught up in the impellers. I was going to go back to Kiama, but it's raining. Wonder why I lost control of it. Buddy, what I missed one. A little screwdriver, which I haven't got on me. I think that's it. Still got some in there, but it should clear out. I think that's okay. Soon to be turning. Alright, let's go. Hey Bob. The rain. Oh, that was so rough. Those waves were tossing me about. Not sure if I saw any sharks. I saw some fish, saw some bream. Pretty silly to be out there like this. Okay guys, might stop off at Kiama maybe if it stops raining. Okay, let's head back. So I was going to put my aerial drone up, my DJI in Mavic 3, but it's a little bit wet and very windy. I don't know, I want to damage the drone with the rain. You alright, Bob? Let's hit the road, Jack. Okay. You alright, Bob? Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Might give Kiama a pass. It's raining more and more, and I'll just get wet. I don't care if the subject's wet, but I do if I get wet too much. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow and do some other places. I'll see, I'll think about it for a sec. Actually, I might go and have a blowhole. Been fired up today. Bloody windy. It's freezing. Might give it a miss. Okay guys, catch you later. Hooroo. Blow a lot higher. Anyway, thought I'd pop in. It's freezing.